Welcome back. The Elastic Skin Serum from INNBEAUTY Project has been a wonderful addition to my skincare routine. This lightweight, deeply hydrating serum is packed with incredible ingredients that truly deliver on their promises. With 6% copper peptides and biohacking peptides, it visibly firms and reduces wrinkles. The inclusion of vegan growth factors and vegan snail mucin derived from wild yams makes my skin look plump, firm, and lifted. Plus, the serum is clean, vegan, and cruelty-free, which is always a bonus. What I love most is its bouncy gel-like texture that provides deep hydration, firmness, and reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It gives my skin a youthful, glowing look that lasts all day. The 7% vegan collagen, amino acids, and ceramides help plump my skin and reinforce a healthy moisture barrier. This potent vegan formula, boasting 19% active ingredients, promises to increase skin's elasticity in just 1 week. My skin has never looked better. It feels super soft and has a healthy, happy glow. INNBEAUTY Project has been hit or miss for me, but this serum is definitely a hit. I highly recommend grabbing this gem if you're looking for firmer, plumper, and deeply hydrated skin.